Hello friends, welcome to Gallant IAS. So today we are going to start with our first module. Okay, this module is based on the basic numeracy section of our CSAT questions. So I think we have discussed about the syllabus and all. So you need to be very thorough about your CSAT syllabus and make sure that you guys do all those questions that we had done in our class, as well as the PDF that we are going to give you, which may be attached to this video. Okay, so you need to do all these questions that we had studied in our class as well as that PDF questions. And if you have any doubts based on any of these questions that we had discussed in our class as well as in that PDF, we will be providing you a time in order to clear your doubts. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. Only thing you need to do is to check all these questions daily, practice these questions daily, especially to the students of non-science background. I know you are very capable of doing these CSAT questions, but still you need to do all these questions day by day, and thus you can make this topic very clear, and you can resolve all these questions easily when you get that question onto your hand while you are in your examination hall, and you will not be that much shredded when you see that questions. So try to follow our modules, try to follow all the questions that we are discussing in our class, and make sure that you do all your questions. Okay, only way to clear this CSAT is just by doing all those questions, practicing all those questions, and make sure that you come to that level in such a way that you can do all these questions within a span of seconds. Okay, then only you can clear this exam, this CSAT exam. Okay, so and I'm sure that I think you know the CAT exams, aptitude and all. So comparing to all those aptitude exams, CSAT is little bit more easier. Okay, the only thing you need to do is to practice yourself, practice all these questions. Okay, daily, and if possible try to do more and more questions. Okay, more and more questions, that is, practice makes you perfect. Okay guys, so let's start with our module, that is average. Okay, so let's start with our first topic, averages. So let's start with our first topic, that is average. Okay, so before going on to the topic, let's have a brief introduction about average. What do you mean by average? What's average means? So the equation to find average means average is equal to sum of the quantities. Okay, sum of the quantities divided by total number of quantities. Okay, divided by total number of quantities. Okay, this is the basic equation in order to find the average. Average means sum of the quantities all divided by the total number of quantities. For example, find the average of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is actually for the in order to get a base about average. Okay, so make sure that I think most of you guys know the basic concepts of average. So this is actually for the base, the students who don't have much base on average. Okay, so see this question, find the average of 1 2 3 4 5. So how to find the average? That is sum of the numbers. Okay, sum of the numbers divided by total, you will get the total number of numbers. Okay, number of numbers, you will get average. That is, sum of the number is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 whole divided by total number means the number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 5. That is, sum of the numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by total number of numbers. That is, sum of the quantities divided by total number of quantities. Here it is 5 quantities, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So on simplifying, you will get the average. Now let's check it. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So 3 is our average. So this is the basic question, and you should know how to solve this type of question based on averages. Okay, so now I will give you another question. Try to solve this question, that is, find the average of 2 4 6 8 10. Try to find the average of this number. Just pause the video and try to find the average of this number. I think you had find the average for this number, right? This set of numbers. So how to find the average of for this set of numbers? That is, average means what? Average is equal to sum of the quantities divided by total number, right? Sum of the quantities divided by total number of quantities. So the sum of the quantities is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. All divided by total number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 quantities. So sum of the quantities all divided by total number of quantities, right? That is 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 6 are 12. 12 plus 18 what? 12 plus 8 is what? 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5 on simplification, you will get the answer as 6. So the average of 5 numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is what? That is 6. So this is actually the basic concept. Okay, this is actually the basic concept in order to study average. You should know this concept, and then only we can do the certain other problems that are coming through. Okay, so please try to learn this equation. This is actually the basic equation. I will tell you once again, that is, the average means sum of the quantities all divided by the total number of quantities. Keep this equation in your mind. I'm going to write this equation right here, and we're gonna use this equation in all those problems that will be coming by. Okay, so I'll be writing this equation over here. Sum of the quantities. Okay, sum of the quantities divided by total number of quantities. Total number of quantities. Okay, so keep that equation in your mind. Okay.